You know what day it is? It is Walkthrough Wednesday. And I know some of you have been writing to me and you've been asking me, Sarah, what is going on with the Midtown reno? So here I am. Admittedly, I haven't been here with the camera in a little while, but I've been here and lots has been going on. So I'm gonna take you through. And I know what you're thinking. There's a wreath on the door. You're wondering, is it before Christmas? No. Christmas, long gone. We're just still in winter. Lots of snow on the ground, which makes every renovation interesting. But I'm gonna give you a tour, because today we got so much happening. Step inside. Okay, first things first, the vestibule. You're gonna have to come inside in order to see it, because this vestibule is so teeny tiny. This is gonna be sort of like a sneak peek tour, because most stuff here is under wraps. It's undercover to protect the amazingness that we've installed, but I wanna show you, because I'm kind of excited. Get in here already. Okay, look at this. Ooh, little jewelry just inside the vestibule. Just in this little area where you're gonna step in and you might have wet boots, we've installed this gorgeous new mosaic. On the wall, we are going to install my Deco Wave wallpaper. And it's just gonna be a tiny little hit because look, there's almost no walls in here. One main wall here, little bits around the doors, that's all there is to it. But always, this is a good place to have some fun because it's a tiny space and it's mostly doors. There's 3 doors and only 1 wall. We're just gonna put a little wallpaper, it's gonna be gorgeous. Next, come see here, next. This is the living room, complete with chop saw. Doesn't it look good? What you're gonna notice here is the yellow is gone. Those noises, that's not from me at lunch. That's not my stomach, that's the guys installing something very exciting in the next room. So the yellow is gone. We're moving into the light and bright zone. As you remember from the beginning, very little is changing in this room. We've installed all new hardwood floors, we've installed a new hearth by the fireplace, and then this room is getting a decorating, transformational makeover. Here, this is the dining room. And if you think back to where we started, we had dark paneling, and now look at this. We are primed out in gorgeous, chalky whiteness, and this is amazing. It is bright. I went shopping with my clients the other day, and I bought the most amazing slab of marble that we are gonna turn into a dining table. So this dining room is going to become spare, sleek, simple, and this is going to be the gathering place for great meals. I'm kind of trapped because you know what's here all over the floor? What's here all over the floor is the greatness and the awesomeness that is going on in here. And in here, Frank and Perry are here installing. I'm gonna give you a little walkthrough of our layout. It's so yummy. Giant peninsula coming here. Coming down, we have a stone floor in the kitchen that you can just barely see. It's one of my absolute favorite stones. This is called Blue Sky. It's so durable, it's got beautiful veining in it, and it is honed. So this is the yumminess of the foundation of this kitchen. So peninsula here, wall of cabinetry, full height going here with a pantry and some upper cabinets. This is mission control of the cooking zone back here. We have 2 colors going on in this kitchen. Come and see, I want you to come and see this. Look at, this is our door profile. So the peninsula is done in this rich, deep charcoal gray, and this door profile we've used, it's sort of like a reduced version of a shaker. It's a 1-inch profile around a recessed panel sprayed in a gorgeous lacquer finish, and then all of the perimeter cabinetry is done in just a bit of an off-white. We've got a bar going in down there. Here you can see how beautiful this panel is when it's done in white. End panel here. We have a signature, this is a little signature thing that I love. This is an open display cabinet right here. I did this at home in my own kitchen and I love it because this kitchen is in the sight line when you first come in the front door. So I wanted to make sure that when you come walking in and you walk into this kitchen, you're gonna see something absolutely beautiful sitting on display right here. Not junk, not knickknacks, beautiful objects. It's all gonna be amazing. Wanna see what else has happened? Look at these, look at these. This is what you get when you order custom cabinetry. Look at these lovely cutlery drawers, all custom fitted. So good. Come on downstairs. This is still a work in progress. If you remember, can we just take a little flashback to this basement originally, because it was scary down here. In the very beginning it was cluttered, then once it was empty it was really dank and musty. So we've had to do a lot of work to level the floors, and we ended up losing some ceiling height. But in the end, we still have great storage, we have good space, and we live in the heart of the city, and space is at a premium, so you gotta make the most of it. See this little triangle here? We're gonna put a reeded piece of glass so that light from the side door, once it's changed to a glass door, this door is getting replaced, will filter through. Just bring in some natural light whenever we can. We've installed vinyl flooring here. Originally, this was just a rough concrete floor. When we started, it had terrible broadloom, but really this is a great solution for moving forward because it's durable, it's easy to clean, it's affordable. Unfortunately, we had to spend a fortune leveling the floor first, but I would say worth the effort. Come see this cute little bathroom. Okay, we've got the bathroom in here. You know I love my tile details. This little waterfall mosaic is one of my all-time faves, combined with the silver shadow floor tile, also one of my faves. And we've installed horizontal stripes. We've continued this waterfall mosaic into the shower floor. And then this was my idea. My good kind of cheat in the shower was that this is a mosaic tile. So what's nice about this is it looks like you've done a dramatic pattern that's really time intensive to install, but instead, it just goes on in sheets. Good idea? I think so. And a long lean vanity. Okay, so that's that. Laundry room. I have to show you this laundry room only because we've come a long way, baby. I was excited on a site visit and I posted a picture of this laundry room and so many of you were horrified. So I just wanted to show you that now it's light and bright and this is just a work zone and we are waiting for custom cabinetry. We're gonna have stone countertops, stacking washer dryer, tons of storage. It's gonna be really pretty in here. This room, currently the boys' tool room, and in the end, this will probably be an exercise room. Touring on, we're gonna go upstairs where it's lighter, brighter, and so much more spacious. Come see this bathroom. This is the might as well bathroom, and I want you to see this. Because, ooh, look at that tile pattern on the floor. Is that gorgeous? So, this bathroom is the department of might as well. When I came and did a first consultation with my clients, this bathroom was gonna stay. And then they decided they'd never liked it, so it got ripped out. We tore out a closet that used to be here. We've installed, look at this mosaic. I mean, isn't this gorgeous? So what we did was we put this beautiful stone mosaic that has about 5 different colors on the back wall only. Then we transitioned to a 2x8 thin tile that we set in a brick pattern. We set in a chair rail listello detail, which then runs all the way through and it becomes the chair rail. So a listello becomes a chair rail. Our vanity is gonna go here. We have this very, very soft, sort of wispy gray color, just a first coat to see how we like the color. It's on the walls. I think it's gonna be exciting. And, oh my gosh, oh my goodness, I cannot wait for you to see the slab of stone that we found for the countertop. It's bananas. It's the coolest stone. It's gonna be awesome. But the vanity's not here yet. Okay, in here, this is the guest suite / daughter one's bedroom. So 2 daughters, both grown, neither of them live at home. Isn't this gorgeous? This is one of my favorite spots in the whole house. I just love this little room because it is always so sunny and beautiful. It faces south, it faces the skyline. It's gonna be a little sitting room, a little ante room to what I think will be the ultimate guest room. And how cute is this? This is still here. I guess this is staying. Aww. This is the den. We've been sampling wall colors. So I thought maybe we should do something that has just a little hint of blush in it. This is like just the tiniest bit of blush, or here is just a light neutral. Natural white, and I forget the name of this, but I'll double check, I'm gonna tell you. I think it's kind of fun. Okay, up here, this is the den office. Do you remember this room the first time I came? Dark green, so full of stuff. Wow, isn't this just the best space? I mean, look at this. What we're doing here is bookshelves, bookshelves, bookshelves. We're gonna do a freestanding desk. We're gonna do some really comfy chairs and a beautiful rich carpet. We're gonna put wallpaper on the walls in here. So that's why right now it is the land of white and bright and light and awaiting custom millwork. So, nothing to see here. Well, actually lots to see here. Progress, this is progress. Principal bedroom. This used to be the land of peachy, and now it is like being in a cloud. And looking out right now, look at this. It's snow-capped rooftops in the neighborhood below. The funny thing is, this is right close to where we live. You can almost see our house from here, just over there. Anyway, I love this room, love these windows. Okay, principal bathroom. From the beginning, we had one funny feature in here, which was this angled wall. But I think we've come up with a really great principal bath in the end. Let's talk about tile. Oh my goodness, the mosaic on the floor. And then look at this little accent running through the shower with another one of those Listello bands. Our vanities have just been installed or are in the process. We went and chose a slab of stone, and we're gonna do waterfall vanity tops on both of these. So finishing touches still to come, lots of those in the form of lights, mirrors, hardware. We're not there yet, but we've come a long way on this journey. And everything that's coming up next, it's just gonna get better and better and better. So stick around. And you know, what do you have to do to stick around on this journey? Make sure you join me. You have to subscribe, because this is YouTube only content that I'm making here, my friends. This is only for your eyes, only on YouTube. I want to make sure that you don't miss a thing. So make sure you subscribe, and you'll always be kept up to date with the latest video.